This is where we've been. This is where we are. And this is where we're going. Technology can never replace the human mind, but it can help expand it. Continuous improvement in educational technology is crucial for FACS because preparation for tomorrow is crucial for our students. Picture a robust STEAM program: science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics, with robotics that encourages students to ask, imagine, plan, create, test, evaluate, and share. Let's give our secondary teachers and students the same interactive panel technology we now have in place in our elementary. Also, in the area of educational technology, we have a deadline looming that must be met. We need to replace as many as 60 classroom computers now in order to convert to Windows 10, as Windows 7 goes offline January 14, 2020. Finally, as you can imagine, highly qualified educators are in high demand. We need funding set aside for STEAM so that we can continue to attract and retain high-level teachers with advanced qualifications in these fields. We need your help to make it all happen for our students. We're asking you to give generously to academic and spiritual discipleship for the next generation, our students here at FACS. Your gift of $1,000 or more allows you to honor someone with an inscription on the FACS legacy tree. At FACS, we are committed to continuing the pursuit of excellence in academics and employing every tool at our disposal to prepare students for their role in God's work. Thank you for your commitment to the students of FACS.